Lacrosse balling your upper back. You want to get a lacrosse ball or one of those massagey balls that are in abundance right now. We're going to place it between your back and the wall. You're aiming to have it between the shoulder blade and where your spine is. And look at my shoulder blade. I can kind of hook it with my finger right now. I want to hook that lacrosse ball in there as well. I place it behind. You can also drop it from above if that's easier for you. Find that sweet spot between your shoulder blade and your spine. And then like a bear scratching its back on a tree after hibernation, just go up and down. You hook that shoulder blade. You can bring it out. You can bring it here. Hook it and find, ooh, all those muscles that are supporting your scapula, your shoulder blade. And just get in there. Find good spots. You can hang out on one spot or you can move around side to side, whatever feels good for you.